Are you looking for the best pinpointer metal detectors? In this video, we will look at some of the 4 best pinpointer metal detectors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Kuman Treasure Hunting Pinpointer. With an operating frequency of 12 kHz, the Kuman Treasure Hunting Pinpointer metal detector has a high sensitivity which is perfect for finding small targets. It is the best all-around pinpointer metal detector that is safe for use indoors or outdoors. Whether you're searching sand, soil, floors, or walls, this metal pointer can find coins, silver, gold, and jewelry that has been lost over time. 3 sensitivity levels are indicated by LED light indicators, and once it has picked up an object, there will be an audio and vibration indicator to alert you. The one-touch operation makes it quick and easy to use, which means even kids can have a blast searching for treasure. Number 2. Garrett Pro Waterproof Pinpointer. For the best fully waterproof pinpointer metal detector, choose the Garrett Pro Pinpointer metal detector because it has a rugged design, maximum sensitivity, and easy-to-use system. This metal pointer is waterproof up to 10 feet, which means you can fully submerge it in search of treasure along river banks and trickling creeks. A vibrant orange color gives it added visibility underwater, so you'll never lose your metal detector. A maximum sensitivity level is great for small nuggets of gold or other small-sized targets. With the quick press of a button, a fast retune will narrow the detection field for the precise location of larger targets in mineralized ground or sandy beaches. It will also locate multiple targets versus just one, so you can differentiate between trash and treasure. A lost propointer alarm will indicate a reading and can be adjusted for a stealth mode if you want quieter chirps. Included in the purchase is a lanyard attachment, so treasure hunters can easily keep their metal pointer ready at their fingertips. Number 3. Garrett ProPointer 2 Pinpointer. The Garrett ProPointer 2 is the best beginner pinpointer metal detector that is perfect for finding hidden treasure in a snap. Beginner treasure hunters can take it to easy locations like the beach, where they'll feel comfortable learning how to use their metal pointer and get the excitement of uncovering lost objects in the sand. The ProPointer 2 is easy to use with a tip detection and large power button. With audio and vibration indicators, beginners will quickly learn the ropes of using metal detectors. A 360-degree side scan and scraping blade will assist in quickly recovering objects, and a lost pinpointer alarm ensures you never leave your trusty metal pointer behind. With an LED flashlight, you can even use it in low-light conditions, so you can carry on into the night looking for treasure. Number 4. Bounty Hunter Pinpointer. Manufactured to the highest quality available, the Bounty Hunter Pinpointer metal detector is a stylish and innovative design that ensures treasure hunters will be satisfied. This metal pointer will find the exact location of hard-to-see metal targets buried in the ground. It has an adjustable sensitivity control to help you locate a variety of metals. An audio and vibration signal will alert you to any potential finds, and an audible battery strength indicator ensures you never lose power. The easy-to-use single knob control is screen-free, so you don't have to worry about readability in dark places. It's a great gift idea for beginner treasure hunters who want to find some secrets buried in the sand.